Hi guys, Arvind here to do my sixth experiment in compiler lab, and this lab experiment is to design the concept of an assembler for simplified instruction computer. And I'll go to the code for this experiment. So starting off, we import all the required header files, and in the main function, we read the input from the user using the buffered reader BR and using a buffered writer, and we create the object for it, and we have created a named program and enter, and we are saying in this we create a string, and we create the necessary variables like LC, and we assign to 0 if the for and if br.readline, that is from here, that is from program.txt, is not equal to null, and if the line contains chart, we split the line in terms of spaces, and we'll assign title to c of 0, and if the length c dot length is equal to 3, we start and pass it into integer to pass it, and we assign do necessary assignment lc is equal to start, else if does not contain start, we assign start to 0, lc to start, and we write the line. Else if the line does not contain end, we do else is equal to pass simple update, and we do this. And else if the line contains end, in the br input buffer of the br of buffered reader, and we'll do if the line contains end, we'll write it and convert into hexa string, and we next we create a buffer reader br1, and we are given the file location for this, and this inter.txt, and the line contains start, we convert that into hexa, and if the line does not contain, if the line contains then we print this, we convert it integer dot hexa, that means we convert hexa. Next, else then we close off br1 here, and moving on. Now next we taken if the op contains c of 2, we say object code is equal to object code plus, and this all of what has to be printed in the output, and else if it contains a reserved word, we'll say lc plus and 3 times of integer pass int of c of 3. Else if it contains a reserved byte, we say lc is equal to lc plus integer pass int. Else if it contains a word, we'll say object code is equal to object code plus, and this required the object code and plus to 6, and if the object contains c of 0 and matches a to z and contains a key, we say label auxiliary exist, and else we say invalid label. Else if it c of 1 contains word, we say wr is equal to, we write integer to hexa string, we convert hexa, and say lc is equal to lc plus 3, and here if it contains a reserved word, we again write it into integer hexa string plus, we leave a line, and say lc is equal to 3 into integer pass int c of 2. Else if it contains a reserved byte, we write it into integer dot hexa string of lc, and this is the actual hash table, and here we close off the buffer reader, and I'll show you, this is the actual program, assembly program, and this is the intermediate code that is generated, and the opcodes here, and we'll generate the language now after running this file. This is the object code for our given input. So thank you.